In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Zoho Books, your go-to guide for 2025. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. Starting from your Zoho Books dashboard, which is your central control panel for managing all your accounting and financial affairs, you'll find the tools you'll need to generate invoices efficiently. First, from the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side and click on the Sales tab. This section is essentially the hub for all your sales transactions, offering you a comprehensive view of your revenue streams. Once you've clicked on Sales, you'll immediately see options related to sales transactions, such as invoices, estimates, and more. Hence, the next step is to click on Invoices. Don't worry if you're new to this setup, it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Now, you're in the Invoice section, which keeps all your invoicing activities streamlined. Over to your right, you'll spot a New button. This is where you'll click to create a fresh invoice. One tip here is to make sure you have all your client and transaction details handy, as it will make the setup process much smoother. When you click New, Zoho gives you the capability to either select an existing customer or add a new one. This flexibility is great whether you are working with long-term clients or onboarding new ones. Once your customer is selected, determining the payment terms is next. In the Due Terms section, you have the liberty to specify when you expect to receive payment, which could vary from immediate upon delivery to net 30 days, depending on your agreement with the client. After you've set your due terms, you'll be navigating to the next field, which involves choosing the item or service you are billing for. Zoho allows you to add multiple items effortlessly, showcasing both versatility and detail in itemizing your invoice. With all your items added, you are almost there. The final action in this process is deciding how to save your invoice. You'll find options to save it as a draft, which is perfect for when you need to double-check details later. Alternatively, you can proceed with other choices, like sending it directly to your client, allowing for a smooth and immediate transaction. And there you have it, a systematic approach to creating an invoice with Zoho Books. This guide aims to make your invoicing process as seamless and error-free as possible. Feel free to rewatch any segment that needs clarification, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those accounts balanced and your invoices updated.